About 2 years ago, I upgraded to a track saw, and while this saw is awesome, it has so many incredible features that I personally love and I prefer it over all these other saws. There's one problem with it, and a lot of people aren't talking about it. So in this video, I want to show you what the problem is, show you a free way to fix it, and then show you a non-free way to fix it, which is pretty cool, but admittedly, I am biased because I designed it. The problem is with its dust collection. Now, this is the first kind of circular saw-esque tool that I've had where there was dust collection, and honestly, I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for the track and to get accurate cuts really quickly. But what I've fallen in love with is this little guy, and its dust collection is pretty good. It makes a lot of sawdust, obviously, because it has this cover. There's not a whole lot of places for the sawdust to go, but out here and through here. So you can totally run it without a dust collector or dust extractor. One option for dust collection is just to buy a canister like this. Clips on there, it fills up. Now, in my experience, after like 1 or 2 cuts, this fills up and you're really still making a mess. And so I usually don't use this unless I'm doing something super quick. I got one cut and it's kind of not worth getting the dust collector out and the hose and all that stuff, then I will do this, but I don't prefer it. My favorite option is to grab a hose like this. This is a cheap one on Amazon. I don't have a Festool or a fine dust extractor. I just have a shop vac back there, you can see, and I hook this up. I'll put a link in the description below to this hose. So many of you like this hose, and it fits perfectly on there, and it works. This gets a lot of the sawdust, but I noticed because of this hole that Makita put in so you can access the blade, the Arbor, you're not getting the most out of your dust extractor. So what some people do for free is you can grab some tape. Admittedly, not the most elegant option, not the most beautiful option, but in a pinch, you could do this. The problem I have with this is, already, you get stronger tape than painter's tape, but you're spending $400 or $500 on a track saw. There should be a more elegant solution than some tape like that. And that's where this comes in. This is a custom designed and printed dust collection cap, Arbor hole cover. What should we call this? I found a designer on Fiverr. I hired him and we took measurements of this, and after a lot of testing and printing back and forth, we finally developed a product that snaps into place perfectly. Check this out. There you go. What's awesome is I found the color for Makita so that it matches with the brand, but maybe you don't like teal, maybe you want silver, no problem. Maybe you don't like gray and you want to match the black. Got you covered there. For those who are paying close attention, this is a corded saw, and the battery powered version has a slightly different shape. No worries, I worked with a friend, one of you, in Germany, and we have a version that fits the corded saw in all the colors. I'd love to know, how important is dust extraction and maximizing your dust extraction to you? Leave a comment in the below. I'm kind of curious of how many of you think this is a big deal. If you want to support the channel and encourage me in this journey, you can go to my Etsy store. There's a link below, and you can grab one of these dust caps. I've got both versions, 3 different colors you can choose from, and as a way of saying thank you, I'm going to include a 20% off coupon that's only available to people who are watching this video. It'll be on for maybe a month or so it won't be forever, probably to the end of the year. Let's just say to the end of 2021. You can use the discount code that I put on the screen right here, and you get 20% off. Maybe some of you are saying, well, that's nice, Drew. I have a track saw, but I don't have Makita. Well, there's more. I would love to develop versions of these for other track saws. So if you have the DeWalt track saw, the Craig track saw, the Bosch track saw, or maybe you're better than me and you have the Festool track saw, congratulations on winning. reach out to me in the comments below, because I'm looking for people who own these saws, who can partner with me, take measurements, and be a product review tester so that we can dial in the right fit and offer these dust caps, dust collection caps. What should these be called? I don't even know what they should be called, for all the different track saw brands out there. So if you want to know what hose I use and what this thing is, there's a link in the description below. You can check those out. Or if you want to learn more about the other track saw accessories that I love and use, click on the video right here, like right there. Just, you can click on it. I'll wait for you. It apparently helps YouTube promote my videos if you stay on the platform, and it rewards me for serving you up a video you may like. Who knows? If you don't want to click on it, don't click on it.